Hey everyone, we're changing out the light bulbs on a Ford Mustang today. Putting the Sylvania Ultras in. They're the 9008. They actually come with a lifetime warranty. And it's the bulbs right here. And they also have a wiring harness that's with them. They're not real difficult to put in. There you can see the bulb straight out of the package. And then there's wiring connector that'll connect to the car itself. Alright, so on the Mustang, on the 07 model, it has the fog lights in the center right here. So a lot of times whenever you're going down the road and you have your fog lights on, people think that you have your high beams on, but that's not correct. Your high beam and low beam is in with the same bulb. These in the center are actually fog lights. So it's just how they got in position. It makes it look like you got high beams on. So in order to change these out, you're going to come over here to the driver's side. Now this one has a different air intake system on there, so the box is different. If you look right down in there, you'll see the connector for the driver's side bulb. And this one is actually cracked. And so since it's cracked, I can just reach down there and should be able to just slide it off just like that. Normally you'd have to squeeze it. So once that's off right there, you'll get your hand down in here and just twist it off to the left and pull it out. So you can see here's the bulb there. And then you'll set that down, grab one of your new bulbs, slowly put it in the position. Once you get it in the right spot, you'll just twist it back in, reverse of how you took the other one out. And once you get all the way to the right, then it's in. And then you'll take your connector, it should just slide right in together. And it should click if the connector wasn't broke, but this one's broke. So, and then once it's connected in, it's pretty much done. Now they do supply a zip tie with it, so that you can zip tie this down so the wire isn't so loose. But that's how you do the driver's side. Okay, so here's a comparison between the left and right headlight. You can see the left one right there has quite a bit more of a bluish look to it than what the original style bulb has. You can definitely tell a difference in there. You should be able to see quite a bit better than what he was before. Alright, so he's going to show you how to swap it out. This is his first time swapping out some headlight bulbs. He's never did it before, but he's going to show you how to do it, and that way you can be able to see that if it's your first time doing it, it's really not that hard. And grab a hold of the connector and wiggle it back. Okay, so you can see how easily that was for him to pull it out. Now he's going to spin it in a counterclockwise direction. Oh, it's just... And then here he comes with the old bulb. Then he's going to take the new bulb, spin it right back in. You had to find the little notches. It's only going to go in there one way, so you got to find the little notches, and once it slides in like that, then go ahead and twist it back. And only just twist a little bit. Alright, yep, looks like it's in there. So now he's going to take the connector and connect them together. Take the original wiring harness with the wiring harness on the back of the bulb. And he's got it connected together. So you see there how easy it was to change out your headlight bulbs in the Mustang and do the upgrade. Alright, so now that both bulbs have been changed out, we're going to go ahead and turn on the headlights and show you what they both look like at the same time now. Definitely gives a modern look to the car. Alright, so this is what it looks like sitting still. Has that blue look to it. And now we're gonna go out on the street and show you what the difference is between the old bulbs and the new bulbs going down the road. Wow, what a difference the new bulbs made. You can see much better now. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching again, everyone.